Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking for Cancer and Chronic Disease. My name is Angela Zaccanini, registered dietitian. This is Julia, our intern from Pitt, and soon to be dietitian. We are going to be giving you another smoothie recipe. This one is a blueberry Greek yogurt smoothie.
So a little high protein, some good antioxidants from the blueberries.
Yep. And we have, we're going to be using honey as our sweetener. We're also going to be using some flaxseed meal or ground flaxseed, if you have that, to bulk up the fiber and, again, the healthy fats. So lots of good things going in this, minimal ingredients, and I know a lot of people are looking for smoothie recipes, so this is another one to add to your list.
Definitely.
Okay, so to get started, it does say to use frozen blueberries, but if you are using fresh like we are, then just lessen the amount of liquid that you're using and add ice.
Right, exactly.
So we're going to be using a cup. Where did I put that cup?
Where did it go?
Let me go. I think I put it in the sink. So 1 cup. Depending on what you're using, fresh or frozen, you're going to still use a cup.
Right. Okay, I'm just going to dump these in. I'm going to make a mess. Okay,
That's good.
looks good enough. Okay.
Perfect.
Then we're going to be adding the half a cup of Greek yogurt. We're using 5%, which I think tastes the best.
Yep.
It's going to have the same amount of protein, but just more fat.
So again, really put an emphasis on what you're looking for. So if you're looking for higher calories, higher fat, use the full fat. If you like the taste of it, use the full fat. But depending on what you're looking for, if you're trying to find something lower calorie, they have anything from 0% milk fat up to that 5.
Right.
So again, whatever you're looking for. We are using the Faglie Total 5% milk fat Greek yogurt. So you're getting 14 grams of protein just from this container.
And you could eat that in a couple of bites. Like
Absolutely.
That's like a really good pack of protein in a small amount of food.
Yep, and only 140 calories.
Right.
The fat is 8 grams, so again, that's where you're getting that content from.
Right.
Okay, so next is going to be our water. So it calls for 1.5 cups, but that's using frozen berries. So because we're using fresh, we're only going to use 1/2 cup of water instead.
And you can kind of adjust it to how you want your smoothie to be like textured. If you like it thicker, add less water. If you like it to be more juice consistency, add more.
And we personally like ours cold, so so we're gonna add some fresh ice. Fresh ice.
You can scoop it in.
Okay.
Yeah, that looks good.
All right.
Okay, and then
2 tablespoons of our flaxseed. Now this is flaxseed meal. It's almost just a different consistency than ground flaxseed.
Right.
But when you are purchasing flaxseed, you do not want whole flaxseed. So either meal or ground is what you want, because we cannot absorb whole flax seeds.
Right. So this is kind of pre-digested if you think about it a little bit.
Exactly. And that's going to give us some omegas, good healthy fats, and a lot of fiber.
Then next I'm just going to add 1/2 cup of spinach. And you're probably not going to taste too much of the spinach. It will add some green color to the smoothie, but also just a lot of vitamins, minerals, fiber. Thank you. And then this is 1 tablespoon of honey. And you can use any sweetener that you have. You can use agave. You can use something like stevia.
Maple syrup.
Right.
A lot of people ask me about sweeteners and, you know, what to really look for. Now, keep in mind that things like maple syrup and honey and agave all contribute to your sugar content. So, you know, they do have carbohydrates. They do make your blood sugar rise. So they do something similar to your body that sugar does. However, they have a lot more nutritional benefit. So the nutritional profile is better. You're getting vitamins and minerals. So instead of using sugar, these are better options.
Right.
But then again, if you're looking for something 0 calorie, the stevia, monk fruit.
Right.
So there is some other options. It's worth talking to your dietitian about just to see what's best for you. If you're a diabetic, obviously those 0 calorie, 0 sugar sweeteners are a better option. So really, again, something individualized, that's the name of the game with nutrition.
Definitely.
Okay.
Okay, so all we're going to do is just blend it up now.
Not as green as I thought it would be.
I
That's
know.
great.
Yeah, no, it isn't green at all, really.
Because I know that could really be a turnoff for some people that we
Right.
talked about in our previous smoothie recipe.
Right.
The
color.
mango green mint smoothie that we made.
So good.
If you haven't checked that video out yet, be sure to do so.
Highly
It's
recommend.
delicious. And Julia, you were mentioning that, you know, what's the beauty about smoothies is you can tailor it to what you want. So if you want more protein, adding a scoop of peanut butter, adding protein powder.
Exactly, right. Can really bump up the content, make it more of a meal, less of a snack.
Exactly.
Add some, like, make sure it's more satiating,
Yeah.
kind of tide you over for a little bit of time.
Yep. And we were talking about the fact that the liquid being used on this is water. If you did, again, want some more nutritional content.
Right, you can use milk, you could use even like an Ensure,
absolutely,
something like that, that has some extra protein and calories if that's kind of your goal is to maintain or gain some weight.
Yep.
That would be a good way to, you know, increase the nutrition content.
You got it.
Of the smoothie.
Good.
Okay.
All right.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, it's so cold.
It is so cold.
It's good.
It's good.
It tastes very yogurty.
Yeah, I definitely taste the yogurt more than anything.
Right.
It's still, I love cold. So it's satisfying.
Right.
I probably, what would I add?
Maybe it is really good.
Yeah. Maybe like vanilla extract.
Ooh.
Or something, or maybe even use vanilla yogurt.
Oh, actually, I think that's a good idea.
You know, or a vanilla protein powder.
Right.
I don't know why I feel like I need something like that in it, but
No,
it's
I
good.
think you're right. It is good, and I like the texture. I like that it's really cold.
Yeah.
If we use the frozen blueberries, I'm sure it'd be a little thicker. So that would, you know, just be a good texture.
Definitely.
But yeah, no, this is really good too.
Now, I just wanted to briefly talk about the nutrition facts on this. So this is from a Joyfully Mad Kitchen. It's a blog. It's where I found this particular recipe. The reason why we did this was because we had blueberries and Greek yogurt in our fridge and we wanted to use them.
Right.
And that's something you can do at home. Using your ingredients, what you have to make a smoothie or some other recipe.
Right.
Um,
Definitely.
But 6 ounces of this is 130 calories, so pretty low in calories, very low in calories. 19 grams of carbs, so about a carb choice for those of you counting your carbohydrates. 9 grams of protein.
Which is great.
I think it's really good for not adding anything additional.
Right, just the yogurt, yeah.
Yep. 3 grams of fat, 5 grams of fiber, 12 grams of sugar, which again, that's naturally occurring.
Exactly.
The honey is going to give you a little bit more of that. But again,
Most
nothing.
of it is coming from the blueberries.
Yeah, absolutely. So again, add this to your smoothie list of recipes. I think it's a good one. And I don't know, I think there's ways, again, to really tailor these to however you want, which is the
I mean,
beauty.
if you have frozen strawberries, frozen mango, and want to add that to this, it'd be totally good.
Yeah.
Add some extra flavor, some extra fiber.
Yeah, bulk it up as you wish.
Right.
I'll add this recipe link to the description. Please leave a comment, like our video, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything. We'll see you next time.
Yeah. Bye.